Have you ever wondered how to create stunning anime characters like this one? Well, today, we're going to learn how to make amazing anime characters using Leonardo.AI. Hi, everyone, I'm Amy, and welcome to my channel, Amy.AI. Let's dive right into today's topic. First of all, you'll need to open your web browser. I personally use Chrome, but you can use any browser you prefer. Go ahead and search for Leonardo.AI. I've also provided the link in the pinned comments, so you can check it out there. Once you're on the Leonardo.AI website, let's get familiar with the interface. You'll see an option that says Create Image. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the AI image generation page. At the top of the page, you'll notice a box where you can write your prompt. This is where you'll describe how you want your character to look. Be as detailed as possible to get the best results. For example, you can specify the character's hair color, eye color, clothing style, and any other unique features. On the left side of the screen, there's a drop-down menu where you can select the theme of your character. This helps the AI understand the style you're aiming for, whether it's a fantasy theme, a modern look, or something entirely different. After you've entered your prompt and selected your theme, simply click on the Generate button. The AI will work its magic and create your character. This might take a few moments, so be patient. Once your character is generated, you'll see the image on the screen. If you're happy with it, you can download it by clicking on the image. This will save it to your computer, and you can use it however you like. And that's it. Now you can easily create your own AI-generated anime characters using Leonardo.AI. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI tips and tricks. Happy building!